Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad with chicken breast. First, let's prepare the chicken. Marinate 2 chicken breasts in a zesty mixture for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Then, cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled slightly, slice the chicken into 1/2-inch pieces, ready to top your salad. Next, we'll craft that irresistible homemade Caesar dressing. Combine 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and fresh lemon juice in a bowl. Gradually drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil, whisking constantly until it emulsifies into a smooth, creamy dressing. Don't forget the croutons. Toss 1 cup of bread cubes with olive oil and garlic, then bake until golden. Now for the main event, assembling your delicious Caesar salad. Start by washing and thoroughly drying 1 head of crisp romaine lettuce. This ensures the dressing adheres perfectly. Gently toss the prepared lettuce with your freshly made Caesar dressing, ensuring every leaf is coated. Finally, top with your perfectly cooked chicken, crunchy croutons, and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Your homemade chicken Caesar salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for the freshest taste and texture. For an extra flourish, garnish with more grated Parmesan and a generous grind of fresh black pepper. It's truly a restaurant-quality meal at home. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.